Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your cleaning routine a breeze with the electric spin scrubber. This new upgrade is full body, waterproof, cordless, and comes with a long handle and dual speed settings. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about quality. Unlike other scrubbers with plastic gears and low power motors, this scrubber has high quality all metal internal gears and a powerful motor. With a torque of 50 kilograms, it won't stop even under pressure, making stubborn stains disappear effortlessly. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. Assembly is super easy. Just attach the handle and choose one of the 8 attachable brush heads. Each head is designed for different surfaces, like pools, showers, bathtubs, toilets, and more. Plus, these heads are waterproof, so you can wash them directly under the faucet. Just remember, the tail controller isn't waterproof, so keep it dry. This scrubber offers dual spin speeds, 350 RPM for everyday cleaning and 450 RPM for tackling tough grime. With 4 adjustable angles, 90 degrees, 120, 150, and 180, you can reach every corner and crevice with ease. Let's see it in action. I'm starting with the 350 RPM mode for these bathroom tiles. Look how it effortlessly removes soap scum. Now let's switch to the powerful 450 RPM mode in the bathtub. It cuts through the dirt like butter. And it's not just for indoor use. The scrubber is perfect for outdoor cleaning tasks like scrubbing car wheels, versatile and powerful. Cleaning has never been this easy or effective. If you want to make your cleaning routine quicker and more efficient, check out this electric spin scrubber. Again, I've added the link in the description box below for you, and trust me, your knees and back will thank you. Subscribe for more cleaning tips and product reviews.